opinion, Englewood is a great place to work because it's like family.
We get the job done, we have fun, there's never a dull moment.
The transition from the corporate world to working for the city government has gone extremely well. The stereotypes that I had heard about working in government, I did not find here. The people are committed, they're energized, and always keeping the well-being of the city of Englewood at the forefront.
I've worked for the city for 15 years. I got to drive 2 hours a day to get here, but I love the guys I work with, and I'm passionate about what we're doing.
The reason I think that it's a great place to come and work as a municipality is that it's different than the private sector in the sense that you really truly are serving your community and you work for your citizens. And so for me, that just gives me a tremendous amount of pride.
If I was going to recommend to a college graduate why they would want to come work for the wastewater treatment plant, I would say that I get to use my science degree almost every day, and that brings me great fulfillment.
What I would tell someone who's thinking of applying to the city of Englewood is that it's a great place to come to feel welcomed and valued.
Started part-time and was able to work myself up through the ranks to where now I've landed in the city clerk's office. So the city's allowed me to grow professionally, which I really appreciate.
As a manager, I believe there is a distinct difference between a manager and a leader. A manager manages things, a leader leads people. And the most important thing about leading those people is to be a servant to them.
I've been working for the city for 13 years. I find it a very rewarding career.